Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use our new platform that is available for streamlining our services. So for you to access our system, you just have to head up to mortiply.com and then right on the home page, locate the vendor button at your extreme right corner on the header. Click on that, you will be redirected to the vendor portal. So you would see a page load like this. What you need to do is sign up or register your new account if you do not have accounts already with Mortiply. So all you have to do is click on the sign up and then it will ask you to fill in your details. So quickly fill in your details and email address, and then go ahead and choose a secure password for your business. So you can click on the icon to see the password you are entering so you don't miss it. Then you can quickly write down your password somewhere if you are the kind who find it difficult to keep or memorize your password. So all you need to do after entering this free main requirement, just go ahead and click create new account and the page would reload, and then it asks you to verify your email address. So all you have to do is head over to your email and locate a verification email from Mortiply. So I'm right here in my email inbox. So if you can find it or locate the email for verification of your Mortiply account, head over to the spam and you should find it there. If it isn't there, wait a while so the email get delivered to you. So all you have to do is click on the verify email or click on the link below should you have an issue. So when you click verify email, you should be redirected and your email will be verified. So you say your email is verified, already verified. All you have to do is now go ahead and log in using the credentials you use in registration and hit the login to access my vendor dashboard. As a vendor, you should have your dashboard looking just as it is now. For the first time, you wouldn't see any record here. So let's quickly take an overview of how to navigate on your dashboard. So if you see here, the first is a dashboard, which is a default page you would see when you log in first, and you see a button here saying add a product. Here it tells you what to do. You can go ahead and read. Here is how you can start seeing your stats. So after you've added some products and transaction happen, you start seeing statistics of what is happening on transactions, and other information will be readily available here for you to view. The next tab is a product. You click on that, then it allows you to create a new product. You wouldn't see any product added here for the first time, so you would have to add your product, which you later then send to Mortiply warehouse. If you stock with Mortiply, the Mortiply will update your stock. That allows you to create orders on them for Mortiply to deliver on your behalf. The next is the orders and then add new orders. So let's click on all orders. The all orders tab, when you click on it, would give you a preview of all orders that are in the system. For your case, you might not see any order the first time you are logging in, so you would have to create a new order. So you can either create a new order by hovering over the orders menu and clicking add new orders, or you go ahead and click on this button, add new orders button, on the orders page. The next is payments. Payment, we have two sub tabs or sub menus. The first one is withdraw funds. The withdraw funds allow you to request payments for CODs, as in cash on delivery orders that Mortiply helps you receive money on behalf of your customers. So there you can request the amount in CDs, the payment method, whether a bank, international bank, or using mobile money. Then if you're using mobile money, you would have to select the network to which you want the money to be sent to, and you go ahead and enter the mobile money name, the mobile number, and then you can choose to save your information so you wouldn't have to repeatedly enter this withdrawal account information. So the next is payment request. So you would see history of payment requests made and then their status. This will help you with your accounting and then follow-ups. The next menu is the transactions. The transactions would also help you see all transactions that has been happening with your business at mortiply.com. So here you would start seeing records after few transaction or after you start transacting with Mortiply. That has to do with deliveries and receiving of funds on your behalf. You should be seeing the total transaction, which could also help with your accounting. The next menu is frequently asked questions, which will be often updated. So if you have any questions or anything, just go ahead and come here to find them for yourself. All right, now let's go back to how you can add product to your vendor app. So the first thing you have to do is click on add new products, and then a pop-up box would open this way, and it say what you need to send the product to Mortiply for inventory stock taking. So you are just adding the product by name, whatever you are sending to Mortiply. For example, if you're sending shirts, you just enter shirts, your specific product name, and then the price at which you will be selling in Ghana cedi. Then you go ahead and upload the product picture. Just click on this and you should be able to add a product picture. Then you go ahead and save that product to your list of products that you would have Mortiply deliver on your behalf. So once that is done, it gives you a notification that is completed, and you can go ahead and click OK. Then you can now see the product with the image of it, and in the future, if there are some transaction revenues generated for a particular product, you would also see a breakdown of it. So that is how you add product to Mortiply. Then after you have added products, then you can now go ahead and add orders to that particular order, which means if at the end of the day you have one or more product and orders come for the various products, you have to add their order to that specific product. So you can, if you want to add the order to a particular product from the product page, you can go ahead and click on the arrow there and hit orders. Then you can go ahead and now you can see the product name is showing here, so which means the product name and then orders for this product. So you can go ahead and click add new orders, and you can add the order one by one by selecting the products, enter the quantity, the person ordered, the receiver's name, the location, which is the address, the contact phone number, and the price or the product price of the order. So if you are doing, let's say, a free delivery and the transaction is a cash on delivery and the product price is, let's say, a 200 cedis, you just go ahead and enter 200 cedis, which you have here. If it is free delivery, it means your delivery cost is already in it, which Mortiply would deduct after a successful delivery. Or if the person needs to pay nothing, you have already settled Mortiply, just go ahead and enter 0 there for the particular order. So that is how you add products one at a time, but you can equally do that in bulk by clicking on the upload orders file, and then you can select the product you want to upload the numerous orders to. Then you can easily download a sample file by clicking on this, download a sample file, and you can easily download a sample file to your PC. Then you can go ahead and open a sample file just like I've done for myself. This is how the sample looks like. Then you fill by name, receiver, as in the name of the person, the quantity, the number of quantity that the person has in his or her order, the location, which is the delivery location, the contact, you put the contact just as it is with the country code, the 233, and then you go ahead and enter the amount of the order. You make sure every part is filled for each row and column. Then when you are done, you can re-upload your orders to Mortiply just like I am doing, and allow it to upload. Once done, you can go ahead and save your order. So you can see it's saved successfully. Then you can go ahead and do so for other products if you have orders for them as well. So once those are done, you can now come to all orders and you can see all the products, all the orders that you have uploaded here. Then it may ask you to confirm the orders. It may ask you to confirm the orders. You see the button here that might ask you to confirm. That means since you have uploaded in bulk, some might be with mistakes, so you have to verify each of them. Then those that you need to reject, you select them and reject it. And also, if you need to make a change, you just have to click on this very icon after the I icon to edit. When you click on it, then you can go ahead and make changes to a specific field. Then you hit on the save, then those corrections will be made for you. So that is how you add product to your Mortiply account, add orders, and wait for Mortiply to go ahead and deliver on your behalf. So once delivery is done and it's time for you to request for payment of your money, then you can go ahead to payment and then request a withdrawal by clicking on the withdraw funds. Then you can go ahead and enter the information. So thank you very much. Hope you find this system very useful for your business to automate your transaction and your dealings with Mortiply. Thank you very much. Bye.